Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music on Instagram posts with multiple photos. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. You click on it and then you want to head to the plus sign on the top right corner. You click on it and then you hit post. When you're on the post, the main difference versus the usual way how you're going to go about posting is going to be clicking on the double square underneath the photo you selected. When you hit the double square, you will have the option to select multiple images or multiple videos, depending on the content you'll be preparing to post. The step that will follow will be clicking on the next, and this is where you can actually focus on the center of the screen. Look at the note icon. This is where you're gonna add the music to your carousel post. Okay, you can select the music from over here. The two options that are available, of course, will be what is currently trending, known as For You page, right? Seasonal or certain trend will be recommended from the Instagram algorithm. The second option is simply to go ahead and click on the browse and simply go through different genres. The third option, of course, will be to go here on the search bar and search the particular song that you're looking for. When you find it, all we gotta do is to hit add. When you finish with that, you can simply add additional filters underneath. Not so hyped about these filters, to be honest. As you can see, we have photos. You can also add additional photo from here when you slide to the side, and then you can hit the plus and add additional photo or video to your carousel post, right? Then you hit next. The biggest tip over here, guys, is that as you can see, we have multiple images selected. We have our music selected. If you decide to change your mind, to change the song right before you posting, you're not gonna lose the progress, simply because if you scroll down on this stage, you still have the option to add song, to replace song, and simply you can do all that from that particular page. You don't have to lose the progress that you already generated. This is very helpful because you simply can replace the song, move along, right, and simply finish your post. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.